Hey guys, Brad Berryman, Sunrise Marine. Today I want to talk about something that us in the Panhandle really don't have to think about all that often, which is how to prepare your boat for a hard freeze, specifically your boat with a outboard powered four-stroke. Now this is going to hold true through all the outboard lines, whether it's Yamaha, Suzuki, Mercury, Honda. It should be the same for all. So first thing I want to do is I want to trim my motor all the way down. This is going to help get all of the standing water out of the motor just by gravity. And I'm going to do this to both motors. The next thing I want to do is my rinse hose. I'm going to take that out and just let that hang. You might have some excess water in there as well. And I'm just going to leave it like that overnight and let that stay just like that. Next, I want to get my boat plugs out of this boat. This boat already has the plugs out, but I do want to make sure that I've got no excess water in the bilge compartment. If your boat's on a trailer, it might be helpful for you to jack the tongue of the trailer up, get that boat nose high so the water does drain to the back of the boat much easier. The last thing to think about is whether or not your boat has a freshwater system in it. If you have a freshwater tank, go ahead and drain that tank. This boat does have a freshwater system, so I'm going to get up and I will drain all the water out of this tank using the hose in the back. If you can't drain your full tank, I highly recommend putting some antifreeze in the freshwater tank, but you still have to run the hose a little while just to get that antifreeze through the full system of the boat. And that's it. Hopefully we get back to normal Florida temperatures here soon, and I hope this video helps. Thanks.